If you're an investor or thinking about becoming one, today's video is for you. It's all about DSCR loans, debt service coverage ratio. Before we get started, just hit the like button below. Thank you. What is a DSCR loan? DSCR stands for debt service coverage ratio, and it's a key metric used in real estate financing. Used to be more of the commercial property side, but it's more and more common in residential investment as well. The big question that these kind of loans answers are this: does the property generate enough rental income to cover its mortgage? Unlike conventional loans that require that Unlike conventional loans that rely on your personal income and employment, DSCR loans focus entirely on the cash flow of the property. If the rent covers or exceeds the mortgage payment, you have a pretty good chance of qualifying for this loan. Here's why DSCR here's why DSCR loans Here's why DSCR loans are a game changer for investors. No job or personal income verification required. Your W 2 or tax returns are not needed. They're perfect for full time investors. If you own multiple rental properties, this loan can help avoid DTI, debt to income restrictions, that conventional loans sometimes have. There's no property limit. Unlike traditional mortgages, there's no cap on how many properties you can own. They generally have easier approval process that focuses on the rental income and not on your employment history. They have flexible loan options, 30-year, 40-year, and even interest-only loans available. Here are some DSCR loan guidelines for 2025. Loan amounts. Loan sizes can range from 75,000 to 3 million. Loan sizes can range from 75,000 to 3 million, covering everything from small rentals to larger investment properties. Property types: 1 to 4 unit residential properties qualify. Single family homes, duplexes, triplexes, and fourplexes. Short term rentals qualify, like Airbnb, VRBO. Non-warrantable condos, non-warrantable condos are allowed. There are several types of loan purposes. Purchase, rate and term refinance, and cash out refinances are also possible. Down payment and LTV requirements. You can get one for as low as 15% down, 85% LTV, but expect higher rates and stricter DSCR requirements. . 20% down and 80% LTV is a sweet spot for better terms. If you have 25% down, that's like a 75% LTV, you have an even stronger chance and better rates. Credit score requirements. You need to have a minimum of 620 credit score. The better your score, the better your loan terms. For scores between 620 and 650 range, your LTV is going to be capped at about 60%. Your reserve requirements are going to be a minimum of your reserve requirements are going to be a minimum of 3 months. Principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Pity. Cash out refinances may waive reserve requirements since proceeds can count as reserves. Now, if you have 6 to 12 months reserves, that can really improve your approval chances. Different loan terms are available: 30-year, 40-year, and fixed rate options. Interest only, a 40-year loan with a 10-year interest only period. Interest only. Interest only available. A 40-year loan with a 10-year interest only period can maximize cash flow. Our first time Are first time investors eligible? Yes. If you own a primary residence but no investment properties, you can still qualify. Typically, are first time investors eligible? Yes. If you own a primary residence but no investment properties, you can still qualify. Typically, first time investors need 20 to 25% down, but options are available. Even first time home buyers can get a DSCR loan under the right conditions. Even first time home buyers can get a DSCR loan under the right conditions, though guidelines are tighter. Is a DSCR loan right for you? Is a DSCR loan right for you? If you're an investor who has a strong rental income properties, wants to scale without personal income limits, needs a flexible cash flow, Is a DSCR loan right for you? If you're an investor who has strong rental income properties, or who wants to scale without personal income limits, or who needs a flexible cash flow based financing option, then DSCR loans are a great way to get into the investment game. Then DSCR loans are your best bet in 2025. Let's talk.